If you're thinking about buying SocialWick for social media management and analytics, there are 12 things you should know before making a decision. In this video, we'll dive into how SocialWick compares to other tools on the market and help you determine if it's the right fit for you. First, SocialWick offers a wide range of features, but the user interface can be a bit tricky for beginners. While it's packed with tools for scheduling, analytics, and tracking engagement, navigating them isn't as intuitive as some of its competitors like Buffer or Hootsuite. Next, let's talk about pricing. SocialWick is relatively affordable compared to other platforms, but you'll need to upgrade to access premium features like advanced analytics and team collaboration. If you're on a budget, you might find that cheaper alternatives like Zoho Social offer better value for similar features. The third thing you need to know is its analytics. SocialWick's reporting tools are powerful, but they are more geared towards overall metrics rather than in-depth insights. This means that if you're looking for highly granular data to optimize campaigns, you might find the analytics here a little lacking compared to platforms like Sprout Social. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the scheduling feature. SocialWick does offer the ability to schedule posts across multiple social media platforms, but it doesn't support as many integrations as some of the bigger names out there. For instance, it doesn't have native support for Reddit or Pinterest, which could be a deal breaker for brands that rely heavily on those channels. The fifth thing to consider is customer support. While SocialWick does provide email and live chat support, response times can sometimes be slow. This can be frustrating if you encounter an issue that needs immediate resolution, especially compared to competitors like Hootsuite or Sprout Social, who offer more robust customer service options. Next, the mobile app. SocialWick does have a mobile app, but it's not as feature-rich or stable as those from competitors like Buffer. You may find that the app doesn't offer the same level of functionality, which could be a concern if you're someone who likes managing everything from your phone. The seventh thing you should know is SocialWick's automation features. The platform allows you to set automated tasks for your social media posts, but the customization is limited. This is one area where tools like Later or AgriPulse offer much more flexibility. The eighth point is that SocialWick's analytics are limited to just a few platforms. If you need cross-platform analytics or deep insights from various social media channels, you might need to rely on additional tools, which adds to the overall cost. The ninth thing to know is the limited reporting customization. While SocialWick offers basic reports, you can't customize them as much as you can with some competitors like Sprout Social, where you can create reports that are tailored to your specific needs. Next, SocialWick does offer content creation tools, but they're not as advanced as those in other tools. For example, while it can generate simple graphics for posts, it doesn't offer the robust design capabilities you'd find in a tool like Canva or Adobe Spark. The 11th point is about security. SocialWick does take security seriously with encryption and data protection, but it may not have the same level of security features as some enterprise-grade tools. If you're managing sensitive data, it's worth considering if that's an issue for you. Finally, while SocialWick does have a free trial, there are some limitations. You won't get full access to all features, which can make it harder to assess the platform's true value. Competitors like Buffer and Hootsuite, on the other hand, offer more generous free trials. In conclusion, SocialWick is a solid choice if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with essential social media management and analytics features. However, if you're looking for something more robust or feature-rich, you might want to check out our recommended solution that offers a free trial and see if it's the better fit for your needs.